So, good morning everyone. This is Ricky. So today I want to share with you this inventory transaction KPI, how to track inventory monthly transactions and generate the monthly report as well. Let's go. So let's say, for example, we modify this uh, month of March, this one. So let's modify it by clicking this inventory transaction KPI. Then move to March, this one. Let's say, for example, I want to change this adjustment negative into 3000, then save. So the information is also changed as well as the graphical information. Then let's go. Let's generate the monthly report by clicking this one or either this one. So let's go. So let's wait for a while until the process is completed. Now this is the monthly report for all inventory transactions in your branch. So for the month of March, modify the value of adjustment negative to 20. So let's move to March this one. 20,000. So 20,000. So you see in your screen. I hope you enjoy watching this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.